Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is exasperated. It is pronounced exasperated and is spelt exaspered. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Exasperated is an adjective that means intensely irritated and frustrated. It is often used to describe someone who's lost their patience or is feeling overwhelmed by a situation. For example, you could say, "The mother was exasperated by her children's constant bickering," or "The teacher became exasperated when the students wouldn't listen to instructions." The word exasperated comes from the Latin word exasperare, which means to roughen or to irritate. In the popular children's book series Horrid Henry, Henry's parents are often exasperated by his mischievous antics and rebellious behaviour. His antics often cause frustration and chaos in the household. Synonyms for exasperated include frustrated, irritated, annoyed, and aggravated. Antonyms for exasperated include calm, patient, and composed. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, exasperated. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.